Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios, and that's right, we're checking out this Vibe mattress, V-I-B-E. I've been sleeping on this one for about 2 years. This has been a regular use mattress for me. It's held up phenomenally, and it's absolutely fantastic. Now let me go ahead and show you. This thing is amazing. Now, some things you're gonna wanna know before you order your mattress. It's gonna come in the mail rolled up and compressed, and it's not gonna be its full size for about a week. Now you can sleep on it 24 hours after getting it, 48 hours after getting it, but it gets its full firmness, honestly, about a week. Also, when you get them, it takes maybe 24, 48 hours to kind of dissipate and get that new mattress smell to go away. And that's gonna be true of any mattress you get on Amazon. So a fantastic mattress. This is great for me as a side sleeper. I do use my Tempur-Pedic pillows with it. And this thing is super plush, and I absolutely love it. Now, it is a medium firm mattress. It has a little bit of give to it. I have a Tempur-Pedic mattress downstairs. That's incredible as well. And I would say that this incredible value for the dollar, in the same league as Tempur-Pedic, but obviously the price range is a little different. It's a very cost-efficient mattress that you can pick up. Now, the first layer of foam on here is a little bit softer, and it gets firmer as it goes down. I'm a 220-pound male, and I have no problem sleeping on this every night. No back pain, no shoulder pain, no pressure point problems. This is an incredible mattress. So let me go ahead and see if there's anything else I need to tell you. You pick it up on Amazon, you order it. Your big box stores, if you go to a big box store and order a mattress, it's gonna take a month, maybe 2 months to get there. Amazon can ship this thing in days and have it to you. The price points are fantastic. The firmness is great. And yeah, there's nothing else. Now, a lot of people, they're gonna wanna get the kind of water resistant kind of layer for on top of it. That's a smart idea. You don't need to pick up a box springs with this. I have mine on a platform bed that I picked up from Amazon as well. And yeah, bang for the buck, it's absolutely amazing. You can pick them up in a variety of sizes, anywhere from twin, twin XL, queen, king, your double, obviously. I believe there may even be the California King. Look at the options available on the listing. But this is an incredible mattress at incredible prices. And just to give you an idea, like, very supportive. I'm a heavier guy. You can see that this thing is really providing a lot of support. And whether you're a back or chest sleeper, side sleeper, this thing is going to offer great support for you. So go ahead and order today. Order with confidence. Truly a great mattress, and a great mattress at this price. Vibe makes great products. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.